Okay, so I'm at school. I'm not looking my best. Like, this is one of my worst days. So, okay, so I just entered science. I hate school. I hate this class. So, oh, sorry. Sorry. I hate all my classes, if that makes you feel any better. It's nothing about you, it's just biology, not my forte, you know? No, I suck. Yeah, I do. I have an off-topic question about medicine.
What's that?
It's amoxicillin, like the medicine when you take, the pink medicine that you take when you have bronchitis. Is that only for kids?
No, it's for adults too.
Oh, really? Because I kind of want that right now.
You like it?
No, yeah.
I think
It's not
that
Pepto.
when you're an adult, they can give it to you in a pill. Yeah. I think it comes in a pill too.
I like it. I haven't had it since I was like 8, but I'm kind of craving that right now. All right, we're going to the lab to work on photosynthesis. Wait, there's people in there. I don't very feel comfortable going in there with a in there.
There's nothing in there but spinach.
No, but there's people in there.
Us, your own class.
No, look, there's other people in here. Are you serious? Okay, this is the outfit of the day. This is my sister's sorority windbreaker. I mean, it's not mine, so Grace, if you see this, sorry. These are some Adidas pants and the black boots I wore yesterday. Also, if you haven't watched yesterday's vlog, go check that out. I'll link it below. I'm so thirsty. I don't think I'm allowed to drink out of this, so... And that's how you drink water. This is Sister Jacob.
Sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know who James Charles is?
No.
That's Sister James. He came up with this whole system of sisters. That's Sister Sadie. Yeah. So I'll check with you guys later on this photosynthesis lab. We've been waiting so long and nothing is happening.
I remember this part.
That's all I remember.
I just know that one.
Yeah. I'm really scared. Oh.
Just the lights.
Okay. No, you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to do it more. Okay. Okay.
Hey folks,
He doesn't know what I just did.
our time is up today. So please don't worry about doing the post-lab questions for this lab. I will show you the data. So I have everyone's data.
Okay, the bell is about to ring and I'm going to work on some assignment or whatever in this weird office. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that because I can't vlog when I'm in there. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
Hi, I'm Kate.
That's my friend Kate.
I'm the other one.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you guys later. Hey, whoever put the fire alarm, yeah, mom's because we are not here for standing in the cold. We hate this. So sisters, grab on to your weave because we are about to fight back. We are finally going back into this hellhole. So be ready for some more of this vlog in my health class. So as you can see, they're still flashing and this is not what I expected. So if you don't know, with my school, for my fifth hour, you have to walk all the way to this little classroom. It's inside though, but we have to walk outside. It's really depressing. So yeah, just join me on this walk, this journey to the outdoor athletic facility. Look at that beautiful football field. This is just the baseball field. We got some scenery. There's my substitute teacher over there. And yeah, so this journey is really short, but like it's annoying sometimes because it's like really cold. And yeah, so if you look over here, it's not just trees. There's an actual door to this classroom. So what do? I open the door. This big room. So you have a whiteboard, another whiteboard, and some seats. It looks like a movie theater. Greetings from health class. Greetings. So we are going to part ways with health class. We're actually just gonna go to the nurse real quick. Yeah, we ain't feeling too nice. So one thing you guys may have not noticed is that when we go back inside the school from that entrance, it will be locked. So that we have to bang on the doors and wait for someone to come and get us. So I just like to say thank you so much for helping us.
You're welcome.
Yeah. These are kind of my guy friends right here. They don't like me that much, but like they're my guy friends. Alright, so we're gonna head back now. Okay, bye. So my phone is about to die, so I'd like to call this the end of the vlog. I'm really sorry that I couldn't show you guys my 7th hour. It's not that interesting anyways. But thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment and subscribe for more vlogs every day. Because I'm going to try and actually do it every day. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. And good night. See you guys.